morning to all. Today my topic is game theory. So what is meant by game theory? Game theory is a mathematical model for a decision making situation. In a decision making situation, we have three situations in it. First one is deterministic situation, second one is probabilistic situation, and third one is uncertainty situation. These are the three situations which are comes under the game theory's decision making. Next, we have to move on to the topic. What are the basic terminologies are used in the game theory? First, players. So, what mean the players? So, player means a game between the two persons. Two persons means player A and player B. If player A may be a single or may be group. Likewise, player B is also a single or it may be group. Next one is strategy. So strategy is a condition, a course of action taken by the player. If the course of action player A is taken against course of action B. So strategy means simply called as a course of action taken by the players is called as strategies. Next one is payoff matrix. So payoff matrix means the outcome of the playing game is called as a payoff matrix. So payoff matrix means the course of outcome is called as a payoff matrix. Next one is zero sum game. The zero sum game means the game between the two players, then the value of the game is zero. It is called as a zero sum game. Next topic is non-zero sum game. The non-zero sum game defines as the value of the game between the player A and the player B is non-zero. It is called as a non-zero sum game. Next topic is payoff matrix. So what is the payoff matrix? If we have to write the game in terms of any matrix format, so it is called as a payoff matrix. The payoff matrix is a matrix. Any game which has been written in the form of matrix is called as a payoff matrix. Next one is what is the pure strategy? So pure strategy means basically strategy means a course of action taken by the player is called as a strategy. Here we have to see about what is the pure strategy. So pure strategy means a person or a group taken a single strategy against another player. Single strategy is called as a pure strategy. If a team or a single player take a single strategy against another player, it is called as a pure strategy. The strategy, it may be more than one. So the strategy, if there be more than one, the players may take in two or more strategies, then it is called as a mixed strategy. If the player taken a single strategy, full and full depend on a single strategy, it is called as a pure strategy. If the player is depend on the more than two strategies, it is called as a mixed strategies. Simply is called as a pure strategy means a person using a single strategy against another player. Mixed strategy means the player taking more than two strategies against the player. It is called as a mixed strategy. Next we have to move on the topic n-person game. The n-person game means a game which has n number of players in a part. It is called as an n-person game. A game which has n number of players, it is called as an n-person game. Next the topic, very important, what is the maximum principle and a minimax principle. So maximum principle, the maximum principle simply called as an maximize the minimum guaranteed gain is called as an maximum principle. The principle which is used to maximize the minimum guaranteed gain is called as a maximus principle. What is the minimax principle? So minimax principle is simply called as minimize the maximum losses. Minimize the maximum losses is called as a minimax principle. Next we have to move on the topic, what is the saddle point. So saddle point means in a game we have a maximum value and a minimax value is equal, then the game is called as a saddle point. The value of the game which has a same number of maximum value and the same number of minimax value, then it has a saddle point. Then the game exists a saddle point. Then the game is said to be a pure strategy game. When the game is said to be a pure strategy means if the game which has an equal number of maximum value and minimax value, then the game is said to be a pure strategy game, and we have to easily find out the value of the game easily. Okay, these are the main important terminologies which are used in the game theory. Thank you.